Unraveling the mystery. Might, in the passive voice. Hello, language learners. Today, we're venturing deeper into the exciting world of English grammar. Specifically, we'll be focusing on modal verbs in the passive voice. And our star of the day? The modal verb, might. Get ready to master its use in the passive voice. Before we delve into the passive voice, it's crucial to understand how might functions in the active voice. Might is a modal verb often used to express possibility or probability. For example, they might arrive late because of the traffic. Here, the action, arrive late, is directly performed by the subject, they. Now, let's look at the passive voice. In passive sentences, the focus is on the action and the object that receives the action, rather than on the subject. The subject is either unknown, irrelevant, or understood from the context. For example, the letter was written by Mary is a passive sentence, with the focus on the letter and the action being written, not on Mary. When it comes to using might in the passive voice, the formula is simple. Subject plus might plus be plus past participle of the main verb. Let's consider the active sentence, John might paint the house. In the passive voice, it would become, the house might be painted by John. Let's explore more examples to further understand this concept. Active. The chef might prepare the meal. Passive. The meal might be prepared by the chef. Active. The wind might damage the crops. Passive. The crops might be damaged by the wind. Remember, the use of might in these passive sentences adds an element of uncertainty or possibility to the action. And there you have it. Hopefully, you now understand how to use might in the passive voice effectively. It's a great tool to express possibility in a different and more nuanced way. Keep practicing, and soon it'll be second nature. See you in our next grammar adventure. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Until next time, happy learning.